my name is King Cook Daily and we're in the middle of Shoreditch and this is my little takeaway. So this restaurant is just about good vegan grub that's chef crafted by myself, and it's made with love. And I know a lot of people say that, but when you're cooking every single dish, it's love, man. So the two dishes I'm gonna make today, the first one being a larp, which is the national dish of Laos. And it's basically a meat salad that is very popular in Laos. You know, whether it be a birth of a new baby or a wedding, we tend to kind of bring this dish to celebrate, or if you're moving to a new house, for example. So it's a very important dish in Laos. I'll be pairing that with sticky rice, pea flour sticky rice. So it's a nice vibrant blue color. It's quite new, pea flour. You know, back in the day, obviously it's just white sticky rice. Now we're getting a bit more creative and just adding color, but using natural teas for it. Okay, so the next dish, we're going to be making larp, which is the national dish of Laos. And most importantly, you'll need rice, sticky rice, Laos sticky rice. What we're going to do, we're going to dry roast this until it turns almost black. So it's nice and charred, gets the nutty flavor, releases the flavor, and then we're going to pound it. First, we'll just be roasting the rice. Already you can smell the aroma. After 15 minutes of slowly dry roasting, that's what we're looking for. Nice dark color. And then we pound it to make it into a kind of a crumble, and that kind of gives it another crunch and another smokiness to the dish. It doesn't have to be too fine, could be coarse also, nice and crunchy, gives it texture. So time to soak the sticky rice with butterfly pea flour tea. This will make it a nice vibrant blue color. I just steep the tea in nearly boiling water. It's around 80 degrees. And if you see slowly, it will start to change in color. What I'll do is I strain this and then soak the sticky rice. So this normally soaks for around 2 hours minimum. So we're going to steam the rice in this traditional bamboo basket. Now what happens is the rice takes on the aroma of the bamboo basket as well. And this is pandan leaves. Okay, it's grown all over Southeast Asia. Very nice aroma. Almost like in the West we have vanilla essence, but in Laos, pandan leaves. Great aroma. So I'll just stick that in. And that should take around 20 minutes. And that's the finished product of the rice. And that's the sticky rice done. The pea flour sticky rice. So first of all, I'm going to be adding ripe plantain to have with my larp. It's a great combo that I like to do. The plantain's nice and ripe when it's this color, you see? Nice and yellow, not pale. You get smoke in it, there's no extraction here. Let it get seared a bit more. Is it alright? It's going to be smoky for you. Is it alright, yeah? Fine, yeah? You see, when the plantain's nice and ripe, you can eat it just as. A lot of people don't know that, you know. So what I do here, I just flash it on both sides. Give it that, you know, natural caramelization from the natural sugars of the plantain. And this, oh, believe me, it's lovely, nice and sweet and fluffy as well when it's fully ripe. Okay, that's done. Okay, so the plantain's there for later. So with the plantain, I just want to season with it with a touch of salt. Almost like a salted caramel, you know, sweetness, caramelization from the plantain and a bit of salt. Lovely, lovely touch. Touch of oil. We're going to go straight in with some white onion. And then we're going to add some garlic. In that goes. And I'm going to add some shiitake mushrooms as well. Give it a nice meaty texture, but also savoury flavour. One of my favourite mushrooms, shiitake. Okay, so that's in. Touch of salt, just to release the moisture from the mushrooms, and season as we go, obviously. Smelling lovely already. Touch of chili, bird's eye chili. Nah, I think that's too hot. We'll go less. There you go. Okay, that's the chili. Everything in there. In goes the plant-based vegan chicken. This is made from seitan. Touch of more oil so it doesn't burn, so it doesn't stick. Now I want to season. Salt, touch of coconut sugar, and of course vegan fish sauce. I'll incorporate all that together. So now all that's flavoured. So I'll turn off the heat and add some water. We're going to add in the herbs. So we have spring onion, red onion, lovely fresh mint, just roughly, coarsely sliced, chop, you know, we don't want it too overly processed. Some coriander, okay, so before the herbs go in, we're going to add in some roasted rice. Be generous with this one. Nutty flavour, nutty crunch. In go the herbs. That's it. So we have our umami, our saltiness, our sweetness. Now add some citrus flavours in there, yeah? Lime, squeeze that fresh lime in there. Go around the wok, round the wok. Time to fold, just gently fold. Nice and delicate. Just incorporate all the herbs together. Now we're going to plate it up. Going to garnish with some radish, keeping them halves. Also some slices. Okay. Fresh cucumber, and I'm going to go with some pak choi leaves as well. Nice and thin, very thin pak choi leaves. Crunchy veg there, and a bit more. In goes the plantain, and then roasted rice on top. Wedge of lime. So this is it. This is the lao bowl salad, the la. So that's basically like a warm minced salad with loads of herbs, your mint, your coriander, your onions, spring onions, all in one. Textures of different rice. So it's a flavor profile of salty, sharpness from the lime, umami, spice, and all the aromatics all in one. It's a lovely dish.